grapefruit. That's how you settle in a tat. That's old school. I don't know if they say that in shops anymore. They used to hit you. They used to just go, bam, now it's settled. Maybe they just did that to me because I was an apprentice. I'm gonna call this my little jailhouse tattoo, Grapefruit. My name is Casey Hart, and today I just tattooed the pound of flesh Grapefruit. This was super fun to tattoo. I would say it's actually pretty accurate in comparison to a real grapefruit. I would highly recommend this for anyone beginning to practice to tattoo or apprentices who are pulling lines for the first time. Today I just went with the Triton Tight 5 and a Tight 3 is all I used on this one today. And we didn't stencil, we kind of just went for it, so that was fun. This one was fun though. I did like tattooing this guy. I would buy this just for funsies and have around the shop. Definitely when you're just trying to play with something, play with a new needle, play with a new machine. This was pretty accurate, I would say. Pull it out in the middle of the day, you need to do a few things, hell yeah. This is spot on to what you would need it for practice purposes. It is, I do want to tattoo a burger though. I straight up want to, I almost did it. It was so tempting to not just go like burger bun, and then lettuce, tomato, cheese, and then like tattoo little seeds on it. Absolutely, this I would recommend a hell of a lot.